What is up, you guys? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video by yours truly. If you're new around here, hi, my name's Carla and welcome to my little corner of YouTube. So this video that I'm doing today is something that I've never done before, but I've always wanted to do one because I used to travel quite frequently before, but I never had the time to actually like sit down and film a packing video. So here we are today. I am finally doing it for my next trip. So Pierre and I are going on a next trip in a week's time, and I know it's still a little bit early for me to start packing right now, but I will be busy in the next couple of days, and the weekend before our flight I'm also going to be so busy. So I figure why not just pack right now while I still have plenty of time to like sit down and talk to you guys while I'm packing. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys my packing routine for whenever I travel. Usually if it's just for a few days of traveling, I just kind of like dump stuff into my luggage and just wing packing. But for extended trip, like further away, you can guess where I'm going right now. If I'm like saying it's further away, it's not gonna be in Asia, so yeah, it's further away, but I'm not gonna mention it right now just to keep the fun and surprise and keep things exciting. So I was saying this summer I'm gonna be packing for a month's worth of traveling. Does that make sense? Yeah, I'm gonna be away for a month or so. I think it could be more, it really depends. I really want to plan ahead of time so that I don't overpack and at the same time I don't underpack. I think there's no such thing as underpacking because at the end of the day you can always buy stuff at the destination you're going to, but I really don't like to overpack. I just want to bring what I need for the period and have enough space for things that we're going to acquire when we get back, because pasalubong is a must. All my Filipino viewers out there, you know what it is. And you know, you can never really avoid going shopping when you're abroad, so you must have enough space for when you return. On that note, I actually have two luggages that I'm going to be checking in, which honestly I only ever need one for every single trip that I go to, but this time around I'm allowed to carry two luggages to check in, which is a good thing. Well, it could be good and it could be bad, but yeah, the point is I'm expecting to bring quite a couple of new stuff over when I get back, you know, for the mom and for the titas and for the cousins and for the who's and the who's of the family. So the extra luggage I'm actually saving up for stuff that I'm gonna need to bring back coming back here. That being, it's gonna be empty when I go there. I'm gonna show you later, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, let me stop rambling and let's just get to packing. So the first thing that I usually do before I dump anything into my checked luggage is I pull out stuff from my closet and plan outfits ahead of time, because I like documenting my travel OOTDs. I mean, what fashion blogger, so-called fashion blogger, doesn't, right? And as much as possible I don't like repeating outfits whenever I'm traveling, because it's just nice to have different outfits when you're taking photos. So this is one way for me to make sure that I don't repeat outfits. At the same time, I don't bring too much clothes. So what I do is just try on clothes here at home in advance before I start to like pick out what stuff that I'm actually gonna bring, and then I take photos of the outfits that I plan ahead using my phone and just keep the photos over there so that whenever I'm already like out and about exploring in the place we're gonna go to, I can easily pull out pieces from my luggage using the photos as a reference so that I know what to wear. So this time I prepared 10 different outfits, although we will be staying longer than that. So what I'll do is just bring a couple of extra pieces that I can mix and match in similar ways to make my life easier. But of course, when I'm choosing the pieces to pack, I make sure that they're weather appropriate. So beforehand, I also check the weather of the place that we're going to and make sure I have the right clothes chosen. I learned my lesson not doing that before when I went to Japan and when I went to Australia. Well, sort of. It wasn't that bad, but yeah. So this time around, I really have to make sure that I'm bringing the right pieces. I'm also bringing a couple of swimsuits with me because we will definitely be going to the beach for a swim, and I don't know if I'll have time to work out or hit the gym, but I'll also throw in a couple of workout clothes, which reminds me of running shoes, but actually I'll be wearing my running shoes when we get there, so I think I'm good with that. Okay, so now that we have the outfits in check, let's move on to shoes. I usually bring 2 pairs of sneakers because you know how much I love my sneakers, but I make sure to bring the most versatile pieces from my collection so that they can just go with any of the outfits that I prepared ahead of time. So as a general rule of thumb, I will usually bring 2 pairs, one in white and one in black. And usually I'm pretty good with just having 2 pairs. You can never go wrong with a pair of black sneakers and white sneakers, right? I mean, I think they pretty much go with everything. Then I usually bring a pair of black boots, and I'm gonna be bringing this one. They're looking filthy right now. I still have to clean them out. So black boots are like really useful if you need to like dress up a little bit in case we have to go on a night out or something, or like a nice formal dinner or something. You never know when these things come up. So yeah, it's always to better be prepared. Black boots are just so easy to dress up and down, and I think they're just must-haves for whenever you travel. Then as mentioned, we're gonna be hitting the beach, so I'm bringing in a pair of sandals and waders. Moving on to accessories, usually I just throw in my current favorite accessories. This time around it's hats and of course hoop earrings. I'm so obsessed with hoop earrings that I have to bring all of my pairs. Sorry, just had to reply. Okay, anyway, on to toiletries and makeup. I usually pack these last because I tend to still use them until the very day that we have to go. I just like throw them in last. My daily essentials are essentially my travel essentials, so there's no separating which is which and what is what. But anyway, I'll just show them to you guys how I usually pack my toiletries and makeup, just to make this video more complete. So usually I will pack my toiletries into one pouch and my makeup in separate pouches. Sure everything that I'm packing today will fit into one luggage, but since I'm having 2 luggages, I have to at least put something into the second luggage, because after all, I can't bring an empty luggage, right? So I'm just gonna have to like separate the stuff and make sure I have enough stuff in both luggages. But again, everything that I'm packing right now guaranteed will fit into one luggage, because I only need one. A few other things that I need to throw in. I usually bring a small bag with me as well whenever we travel. It's kind of like the bag that I usually just use on a daily basis where we're like roaming around the city or wherever we're going. I like fanny packs, so I'm definitely going to be bringing a small fanny pack, probably the style Nanda. Yeah, I'll be bringing the style Nanda, and I'll be bringing another kind of like a shoulder bag, but like a more bulky one for when I need to, because you never know when you're gonna need to like bring a bigger bag. And now that we have everything ready, let's start putting the items into the luggage. It for my check luggage, you guys. I hope you learned something from this packing video. It might be useful for some of you guys, I don't know, but yeah, I'm so excited for this trip. I know I haven't been giving a lot of clues as to where I'm going, but yeah, as mentioned, I just want to keep things exciting and fun. And actually, if you want to know where I'm headed to, I usually mention in real time or in advance on Instagram. So if you want to know when, then just follow me on Instagram. This is my handle. I usually just post on my stories before our flight or during our flight, or like when we land. So yeah, you'll find it out if you don't want to wait for like the travel videos that's coming your way, which will be in the middle while we're in the trip. So it's kind of like, it's gonna take a while, no? But in the meantime, I leave you for now, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and again, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that button down below and hit the bell as well while you're at it, and yeah, join the family, Little Miss Violet family. So yeah,